Y'all, if I say it once, I'm gonna say it a million times. Nobody is messing with this Outre collection, this 5x5 collection. Like, I'm telling y'all, every single one has been hitting the way that it should be hitting. Outre! Chef's kiss, once again.
When I grow, I only grow, and time pass, and thoughts are fine. They will always know that
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Outre 5x5 lace closure wig collection, and I'm wearing it in the style Malaysian Deep 26 inch in the color number 2. So let me just pop right into the specs of this one. So as far as the construction on this one, you're going to get 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It's also going to come with an elastic band. You are going to get that 5x5 HD lace closure, and it does also come pre-plucked and with baby hairs, honey. So let me just come in and show you guys this flawless hairline. And they do list this one as glueless, and y'all, I am wearing it glueless just to make sure that it can be done, and it can be done. Look at this. So on this one, I did also go in and adjust the adjustable straps just to get it as tight as possible, just so I can get that additional security. And honey, it is fitting like it should be fitting. As far as the length on this one, I am 5'3" for reference, and it is 26 inches. And for the density on this one, as y'all could see, this is all the hair to the front, and it is very, very full. It's sitting at like 180%. This one feels like it's about the same density as the Peruvian water wave one. I think the only major difference I'm seeing between the two is the curl pattern slightly different. The Peruvian wave has tighter curls, this one has looser curls, so that's probably just something to note, but I think both of them are honestly beautiful. Now as far as the cap size on this is concerned, I'm definitely going to say that this is small, medium, and most likely big head friendly. The cap does have some stretch to it, and my head is 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and it's fitting my head very snug. As I said, I did adjust those adjustable straps as far as they can go pretty much, and it's sitting the way that I need for it to be sitting, honey. So the texture on this is feeling very similar to the Peruvian water wave, so if you've picked that one up, you're going to know that you're going to get this kind of dried out yaki texture, which I'm not mad at. I feel like that's probably going to make it last a little bit longer than it would if it was to be a silky unit, honestly. So definitely one thing to note with this unit, y'all, I didn't go in and do too much styling just because I can tell from this curl pattern that it's going to get frizziness the more that you manipulate it. So it did kind of come with the center part. I just went in and redefined it because it's a little bit crooked. I just didn't want to do too much manipulation just because, like I said, the more that you finger comb it out, it's going to blow up more and more and more. So I did very, very minimal finger combing out. As far as for the top of it, I just went in with my bristle brush and then kind of like a fine tooth comb to just get it a little bit more flat and to just make that lace a little bit less noticeable, because that lace is like there and it's like scalp, like it's doing what it should be doing. So that's pretty much all I did as far as manipulation. This one is absolutely going to be a throw on and go, you guys. Like, I feel like every unit that I've tried from their 5x5 closure wig collection has been a throw on and go. So let me just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. Once again, sounded like a broken record. I honestly can't say that there's any cons that I found with this unit. Just this whole construction that I feel like they're doing with all of these 5x5 closure wigs is just top tier. It's gonna hit every single time. Like the laces, everything, the hairlines, everything. Like let me just jump into the pros real quick before I just start going on a tangent. The lace is phenomenal, honestly, with this new collection. It's super thin, super flexible. The meltdown is wonderful. It's super easy, effortless. It's glueless. The fact that you get your baby hairs, it's pre-plucked, honey. The length, the density, the volume, like the look. I'm sorry, y'all, because it's gonna sound like I'm doing the same review over and over and over again, but that's specifically because I feel like every unit that I've tried from this collection so far has just been blowing me out of the water. Expectations, checking every single box that I have. Like these are the things that we're looking for when we're looking for wigs, something that's throw and go, easy, super cute, affordable. Like Outre is the blueprint. Like Outre is literally the blueprint. But that's pretty much what I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units or pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.